Hey everyone, today we are going beyond the basics and delving deep into the world of influencer marketing. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you exactly how to measure the success of your influencer marketing campaigns using key performance indicators or KPIs. With countless metrics available, making the right choices can be challenged. But fear not, as we will provide you with a complete roadmap. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools needed to supercharge your influencer marketing strategy and achieve remarkable results. So, let's get started. The art of selecting the perfect KPIs. Effective influencer marketing starts with selecting the perfect KPIs that align with your campaign objectives. In this segment, we will demonstrate how to choose the most relevant KPIs for your unique goals. By doing so, you will gain invaluable insights into your campaign's performance and impact. Measuring the reach of your campaign. Measuring the reach of your influencer marketing campaign is the crucial first step to success. We will walk you through how to analyze the reach of your campaign post, providing insights into their impact on brand awareness. We will explore various metrics including your influencer's audience size, growth in your brand's social media followers, and the number of content views and impressions. Plus, we will introduce to you the essential influencer analytics tools that simplify tracking reach. Deciphering social engagement. Engagement is the lifeblood of thriving influencer marketing. In this segment, you will learn how to assess the engagement level of your influencer's audience with your content. High engagement is a clear sign of successful collaboration, and we will guide you through the process of measuring likes, comments, shares, brand mentions, and the use of campaign hashtags. The science of analyzing conversions. Conversions are where the magic happens in influencer marketing. They directly correlate with your return on investment, ROI. You will discover how to define and measure conversions, which can encompass direct sales, subscriptions, downloads, or other actions. We will introduce practical techniques such as using unique promo codes, affiliate links, and UTM links to effectively track and measure conversions. Calculating campaign ROI like a pro. To ensure you are maximizing your influencer marketing investment, you need to calculate your ROI accurately. We will guide you through the process of determining the earned media value or EMV, a powerful metric that quantifies the value you receive from paid campaigns to achieve the same results. You will learn how to calculate your EMV using cost per engagement, cost per mile impressions, and cost per reach from your existing paid campaigns. Understanding these numbers is the key to making informed decisions about your influencer partnerships. Measuring the performance of your influencer marketing campaigns isn't just important, it is pivotal for success. By selecting the right KPIs, measuring reach, assessing engagement, tracking conversions, and calculating your campaign ROI, you are well on your way to mastering influencer marketing. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to measure influencer marketing ROI like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.